Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to use Kive AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Kive AI website. On the homepage, click the Login button and choose Continue with Google to sign into your account. Once you grant the required permissions, you'll be taken directly into the dashboard. Next, head to the Home section. This is where you can start creating images, videos, product shots, and custom styles. It works as the main workspace for all your creative projects. After that, open the Discover tab to explore different visual styles and creative ideas. This section is useful for finding inspiration and learning how different prompts affect the final results. Pay attention to lighting, composition, and color choices you like. Now go to the Create section. Here, you can generate images using text prompts. Be specific when describing the subject, background, lighting, and mood to get better results. You can also explore different AI models depending on the style you want. Finally, use the Edit and Library sections to refine and organize your projects. So that's basically how you can use Kive AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.